Good morning, children. I am Uzma. Today I will teach you a poem, Ice Cream Man, from Marigold book of class 5. I want to ask you a question. What is the first thing in your mind when you think of summer? Okay, I will give you some clue. What is cold, sweet, and creamy and wonderful to eat? Yes, everyone's favorite treat, especially on a hot summer day, is an ice cream, and everyone's favorite person might just be the ice cream man. Let's start the poem. When summer's in the city and bricks a blaze of heat, the ice cream man with his little cart goes trundling down the street. Beneath his round umbrella, oh, what a joyful sight to see him fill the cones with molds of cooling brown and white. Vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, or chilly things to drink. From bottles full of frosty fizz, green, orange, white, and pink, his cart might be a flower bed of roses and sweet peas. The way the children clusters round, as thick as honey bees. This poem shares the joy of the speaker when he sees the ice cream man riding on his small cart near his street. The poet described the children's love for ice cream. Speaker is overjoyed when the ice cream man fills the cones with different flavors of cream. When he visits the street on hot summer days, he also likes the watery ice cream sticks of different colors and colorful cold drink. Ice cream man brings the cart with a round umbrella. Here the speaker compares the ice cream cart with a garden full of flowers where children play and enjoy. The ice cream man cart is just like a flower bed, while the children surrounding are like honey bees. Now, children, note down the new words or the difficult words from this poem. Blaze, ice cream man, cart, trundling, street, beneath, umbrella, cones, molds, vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, chili, frosty fizz, sweet peas, cluster, honey bees. Write all the difficult words five times in your notebooks. Now, children, I'm going to tell you some new words with their meanings. Blaze, bright flame or fire. Trundling, moving on small broad wheels. Molds, heap or pile. Frosty fizz, chilled drink making hissing or bubbling sound. Cluster, gather around or group of similar things.